Hi, welcome back to a new video. This time we're looking at Prog. So this stock, like I mentioned in our last video, is down on Friday by about 7%. Now overall in the past 5 days it's not the worst thing in the world, and even the past month, if you guys did watch our last video, it kind of is mirroring the trend that I spoke about in a bit of detail in our last episode. But of course we are not here to do a technical analysis today. We're here to give a few of my predictions going forwards into this upcoming week. Now before we do begin, do remember this is purely speculative. It's just my opinion, and it's definitely not financial advice. It's just what I think. It can be completely wrong, and I definitely believe that you should not follow me. Just take it as nothing more than entertainment. But now that I have said that, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you do enjoy it. We're coming very close now to 13,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Keep it going, guys. Let's get there. It is massively appreciated. Now before we do fully enter the video, I must also add that we are doing a fundraiser right now for Save the Children. If you can donate, 100% of the funds do go towards Save the Children, and we're just trying to make a positive difference here at our community for some children going forwards into the festive season. Now on top of that, if you can donate to the channel, feel free to do so by pressing the join button. But now that I've said that, we're going to dive into this video. So where we're going to start off is over here, just quickly analysing what we've seen in the past month, because like I said, I did speak about this in detail, but I just want to quickly recap it in this video. So on the 1 month chart, one thing is clear to me, and I spoke about this on the technical standpoint. We're seeing a bit of a trend forming in this stock. Now you could say it began back here, back on the 1st of October or somewhere around there, where we had our first rise and dip, but really I would say this began more around this period, but you definitely could count this in as well. So what I'm clearly talking about is as upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards and downwards. And actually I'm going to bring this out on the more technical charts, just so it's very easy and simple for everybody to understand. And I think what we could be looking at for the next week for this stock could be a very good thing. Now, ultimately, what sort of growth am I potentially expecting? I'm not talking about insane growth, but I think that we definitely could continue our trend of moving up with this stock into the next week. And of course, that is what we all want to see. So what I'm going to do quickly is bring out the pen and speak about why I believe this. So we're going to get the pen out and I'm going to just quickly show you the trend that I'm speaking about. So you'll see that over here we had our rise, then we had a bit of a fall, rise, bit of a fall, rise, bit of a fall. And this has been going on for some time, and it has been happening at key levels. So back here we had $3. If you look, we will see that we actually broke past $3 both here, but we didn't manage to sustain that level, and we did come back down. And of course $3 went from being our new support back here to being a bit of a resistance that we have hit, and it was even a resistance up until our first green candle here. Now, back here we had this thing around the $2 mark as well. This time it was slightly above $2, but we had a resistance at $2 here. Then we had a support just above $2 for these 4 days. And then we had our second push up. Now, what we've seen here, in my opinion, could possibly, and again, it's not guaranteed, but could possibly be a similar thing. So we had our push above $4. We had a few days where we did break above $4 for a little bit, but not, managing to sustain that level. And my question is now $4 going to be our next level of resistance that we are going to blast past like we have done so here? So again, that is very unclear. It's not definite, and it is purely speculative. But I think it is something that we could possibly see. So what I'm expecting going forwards into Monday and Tuesday, I do want to see a bit of growth, and I want to see a candle either on Monday or Tuesday mirroring what we have seen here. Again, whether this happens or not is going to be unclear, but I think we are possibly in a good position for that trend to continue. Getting into after hours, we are up on Prog. Again, we do still have Monday pre-hours to go, but after hours we're looking fairly okay, up by only 2 cents. And my question is, going forwards into the day of Monday, are we going to see this trend continue? Again, it is very unclear and it is purely speculative, but going forwards into this week, I think we are in a prime position with this stock because we have had that big rise up take us to the highs of the stock above $4, higher than where we have been in the past month. But once again, we've had the time to cool off from there, and we do now have that potential to push up. And I do understand that there are more factors behind Prog than just a simple, week-to-week price standpoint, but I think also on a week-to-week basis people are interested on where the stock is going, and I do completely understand that, and I do completely appreciate that. So I think ultimately it's probably going to be a mixed week, but I would love to see this trend continue and see another little push up. Whether it happens on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, I am not sure, but I would love to see this at some point in the next week. And again, I could be completely wrong. This is not financial advice, it's just my own speculative opinion, but thank you for watching this short video. See you all again tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.